So a quick video here just showing the difference between napped and unnapped. So unnapped is a tape that is woven and then it's not brushed, so the loops remain tight and uniform. Now this has a really high cycle life, but it's not as strong as what you normally see, which is a napped loop. And this is woven and then it's been brushed so that it creates this sort of these loops that the hooks really engage into. Now napped and unnapped does not refer to hook. Hook is you don't get napped or unnapped. So this is just the loop. So we've got the napped and the unnapped, and that's the difference. So one's been brushed and one hasn't. The hooks engage really well with the napped, not so well with the unnapped, but the unnapped will give you a much longer lifespan versus the napped. So that's the difference.